Hi, my name is Stephenie Rodriguez, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up the Siri voice command feature for iOS smartphones inside the WanderSafe app. First, be sure and download the app and launch the app. Then press the Settings button located on the left-hand side of your home screen. Next, select the Siri and Search feature from the menu. Select the shortcuts. Note that the WanderSafe app has two built-in shortcuts for you to personalize and configure, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do that. Next, select the SOS Alert button. Pressing the red Record button, assign the SOS Alert shortcut that's personal for you. We suggest making it something that you won't accidentally use in daily chat or maybe activate Siri accidentally, and something that's less obvious to a potential threat source. So the person who's in front of you doesn't know that you're activating the WanderSafe SOS alerts. Next, set up the word or phrase to shut off or cancel the SOS signal. Do this by setting up the Cancel SOS Alert button as featured and record your Cancel SOS command. Fantastic! Your setup is complete, and now you can say, "Hey Siri," and insert your word or phrase to enable and disable the WanderSafe SOS Alert, hands-free from a locked screen. You are now 3 times safer with WanderSafe with this feature.